In the current wudu practice, a person either sits on a trough or stands and extends his leg and arms under running water, and he performs his wudu. But there are a few disadvantages in this practice, especially the water wastage and the possibility of contact fungal and bacterial infections. That's why we have brought out the world's first wudu washer. One and a half billion Muslims in the world use millions of liters of water every day to perform the wudu.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
The automatic wudu washer is the world's first and only automatic wudu system that will make wudu a cleaner, convenient and more pleasant experience. The auto wudu washer will revolutionize the wudu ablution in all Islamic countries, particularly in Saudi Arabia, where it will save millions of liters of water. It will provide Muslims there and all around the world a unique ablution system that will allow them to perform the wudu in full conformance to the teachings of the Holy Quran in a respectful and hygienic manner.
أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له.
The auto wudu washer incorporates advanced technology, and it has an inbuilt nanotechnology feature that prevents and eliminates contact, skin, fungal and bacterial infections. We have used the best components and materials that's available today in the manufacture of the auto wudu washer, and it is built to last for more than 15 years. The auto wudu washer will promote the conservation of the depleting water resources in the Middle East and set a new standard and benchmark in Islamic pre-prayer ablution worldwide.